Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a spring inspired makeup look. I know right now with the whole quarantine situation, we can't really go outside. But if you just wanna just play with makeup, are looking for some spring ideas for when we do go out, because we will go out soon, guys, we will. You know, we could just do makeup together, have fun with it. If you need to do any video chatting or video conference calls, you know. So yeah, so let's get to it and let's have fun. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows, and I am gonna use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in soft brown. So I'm gonna clean my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm in shade 15 Fair. And for this step, you could just use any concealer that you have. And I'm using a Colourpop brush. This one doesn't have a name, but it's like flat shader brush. To prime my lids, I'm just gonna use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer. And I'm gonna use a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. So for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use this Millani Burning Desire Most Wanted eyeshadow palette. And I just picked this one up and I love the colors. To set my concealer on my lids, I'm gonna use this shade right here. And I'm gonna use this Real Techniques setting brush. Next, I'm gonna use this shade. And I'm gonna use this Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush. I'm gonna use this shade. And I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild brush. This one doesn't have a name, but it looks like this. I'm gonna use this shade. And I'm gonna use this Alamar Cosmetics brush. This one doesn't have a number either, so it looks like this one. I'm gonna wet my brush to intensify the shadow a little bit more. And you could just use any setting spray and just wet your brush. I'm gonna use this shadow. I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna go back and use this color. Okay, so now I'm gonna prime my skin, and I'm gonna use the new Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photofocus Dewy foundation. And I'm in the shade Soft Beige. So I finally got my hands on the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, which is this one. And oh my god, you guys, I'm just so happy I grabbed this. This is like sold out everywhere. But if you guys can get your hands on it, get it, because it's one, it's so affordable, and two, this is already wet, and it's so squishy, and it's so big, the size of it. And I feel like because of the size, it's so much easier to blend out the foundation like super fast. Love this, totally recommend it, guys. And I also really recommend this foundation. I've been using this one lately, and you guys know, if you guys saw my first if you guys saw my Ulta haul where I tried this for the first time, I immediately fell in love with it, and I love how this looks, so nice and fresh. Love it. For concealer, I'm going to use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Fair 15W. So this concealer was one of the ones that I got in my Ulta haul, and I loved it. I already tried it out once before, and guys, really recommend this one as well. Super nice. So to set underneath my eyes, I'm gonna use the Ciate Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And I'm gonna use this e.l.f. small tapered brush. I'm gonna use the same powder to set the rest of my face, and I'm gonna use this Morphe E41 brush. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Bronzer. So I'm gonna go back in the palette and finish off the lower lashes. I'm just gonna use this shade right here. And the brush I'm gonna use is the e.l.f. Eyeshadow C brush. I'm gonna use this shadow. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. And I know this came back. It used to be limited edition, and it came back. I'm not sure if it's still limited edition. But yeah, I know maybe some of you guys got your hands on it or had it from before. So I had it from before, and I'm just so excited to try this out again. So I'm gonna use this shade right here, Glow Getter. For my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm gonna use Forever Lit Luxie 141 Mini Round Brush. My highlighter, I use the Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. For my brow bone, I'm actually gonna use For blush, I'm gonna use the Millani Baked Blush in Luminoso. And I'm gonna use the Colourpop F14 brush. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Overboard. To set my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Brunette. For lip liner, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Lippie pencil in BFF. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in Nudist Peach. And for lip gloss, I'm going to use the Buxom Full On Lip Cream in White Russian. To set my makeup, I'm going to use the Millani Make It Last Setting Spray. For mascara, I'm going to use the Voluminous Lash Paradise by Loreal. For my lower lashes, I'm going to use the usual, which is the MAC Extended Pay Gigablack Lash. Guys, that was the final look. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. This is something nice for the springtime, summertime. Let me know in the comments down below what else would you like to see from me. Give me some requests, and I hope everyone is staying safe out there and taking care of themselves. And hopefully I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your notification bell so you can know when I upload. See you next time. Bye.